Hey, Nickie Brown today. Here we are having some Beyond sausage today, the hot Italian with peppers, onions, plantain on a wrap. So I hope that you enjoy this video. So I prepped my pan by putting a little coconut oil. But if you are concerned about your cholesterol, you might not want to do that. I have my peppers and onions cut up, so I'm going to go ahead and add those. So everything's browning up quite nicely. I'm going to add a little salt and pepper to my peppers and onions. I decided to add some Italian seasoning and cayenne pepper to my peppers and onions as well. So they're basically done. And I'm going to make my plantain. I'm just going to toast up my tortilla first. Just do that for a minute or two on each side, and it has the juice from the Beyond sausage and the peppers and onions. So just kind of soaking it in that and letting it marinate a little bit. Again, just a minute or two is good. Alright, that's all folks. So I built a wrap with peppers and onions with one. And then I just have an extra in my plantanos. Or plantains. Everybody says it a little different. Hope this was helpful. Love y'all later. Mwah.